Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the most common conversation topics in English, the weather. In many English-speaking countries, especially the UK, talking about the weather is a national pastime. People talk about it constantly, with strangers, colleagues, friends, even when there's nothing else to say. So today, you'll learn how to talk about the weather naturally, understand weather forecasts, and use weather to start a conversation. Let's go. Let's start with the basics. What's the weather like today? It's sunny. The sun is shining, there are no clouds. It's cloudy. The sky is covered with clouds. It's raining, it's rainy. Water is falling from the sky. It's windy. The wind is strong. It's foggy. You can't see very far because of thick mist. It's snowing, it's snowy. It's stormy. There's a storm with thunder and lightning. It's humid. The air feels wet and heavy. It's freezing. It's extremely cold. Temperature phrases. It's boiling hot today. Very, very hot. It's quite warm. Pleasantly warm. It's a bit chilly. Slightly cold. It's absolutely freezing. Extremely cold. Now let's go beyond basic vocabulary. Here are more natural ways to describe the weather. It's been pouring all morning. It's been raining very heavily. There's a light drizzle. Very light, fine rain. It's overcast. The sky is gray and cloudy but not raining. There's a cold snap. A sudden period of very cold weather. It's a scorcher today. An extremely hot day. Very informal. The weather's been changeable lately. The weather keeps changing. There's a heat wave. A long period of unusually hot weather. Useful adjectives to describe intensity. Heavy rain, gentle breeze, strong wind, thick fog, light snow. Now let's look at the language used in weather forecasts. You'll hear this on the news and in weather apps. Temperatures will reach 28 degrees this afternoon. There will be scattered showers in the morning. Expect sunny spells throughout the day. Strong winds are forecast for the north of the country. There is a risk of thunderstorms in the evening. Conditions will improve towards the end of the week. Key forecast vocabulary. Scattered showers, rain in some areas but not everywhere. Sunny spells, periods of sunshine between clouds. Partly cloudy, some sun. Chance of rain, it might rain. High of 25 degrees, the maximum temperature today. Low of 12 degrees, the minimum temperature, usually at night. In English, weather is a great way to start a conversation, especially with strangers. Lovely day, isn't it? Can you believe this weather? What a miserable day. I can't wait for summer. Typical British weather, 4 seasons in one day. Responding to weather small talk. Yes, gorgeous, isn't it? Makes you feel great. I know, they said it would be sunny all week. Awful, isn't it? I'm soaked. Tell me about it, I had to cancel my plans. Talking about your weather preferences. I love sunny weather, it always puts me in a good mood. I actually prefer cooler temperatures. I find the heat exhausting. I don't mind the rain as long as I'm indoors. I hate the wind, it completely ruins your hair. Great work, here's what we covered today. We learned basic weather vocabulary: sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, foggy, snowy. We practiced more advanced descriptions: pouring, overcast, changeable, a cold snap, a heat wave. We looked at forecast language: scattered showers, sunny spells, temperatures will reach. And we learned how to use weather in conversation, a classic British skill. Try this. Every morning this week, describe the weather outside your window using at least 3 phrases from today's lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.